Today I'll be covering this knife set from Amazon. It's a 15-piece set. There is a wide variety of different types of blades for different use cases. It's a really good price at just under $60. If you could find it on sale, it'd be even better. The quality is fairly good. Definitely right out of the box. They're nice and sharp. Durability long term. The blades are very thin, and I don't believe they're very hardened. I think they're hardened but not super hard, so the blades do dull. It does come with the sharpener stones on the side, so you can sharpen it whenever you need to. I've had issues with the tips of the steak knives actually bending a little bit because they're so pointy, and just, you know, in my sink or washing them or whatever. And another thing to note is any water that gets on them when you wash them in the dishwasher or by hand, you're going to get some like watermarks because of the color black that the blades are. But overall, pretty cool set for the price. Hey guys, welcome back to another review video. Today I'm going to be covering this knife set that I purchased for a really good price. And it's a full set, so it's got the steak knives, you got your bread knives, a chef knife, a utility knife, a paring knife, pretty much everything that you would want to use in the kitchen. It also has a nice sharp pair of scissors as well. So just to go over each one, this is a special knife designed for cutting into steak and stuff like that. Basically works, is able to pull out because of the holes it has on each side. So that's a nice addition. And then here's your regular chef's knife, which is actually very light. It looks pretty large, and it is large, but it's nice and light. So it feels good in your hand, and it's got a nice little notch here so you can push down on it as well. And then here's your bread knife. Obviously got the serrated blade on the bottom for bread. And then this one's just a little bit smaller than the big one. Probably gonna be your choice for tomatoes and vegetables and stuff like that. And then you have a utility knife and a paring knife. So these are just same kind of style, double-sided blades for both. One's a little bit smaller than the other one. And then of course, we got the regular steak knives, which it comes with 6, and it's got a nice serrated bottom for your meat or whatever. And then it also has the very tip of it is non-serrated. The point is very pointy, and it has this little notch as well like the rest of the knives do. I really like the purple accent, just the design of these knives. I think they look really sharp, and it looks really good with the black block on the bottom, which is actually nice and heavy. It comes with a little manual, just kind of shows you what each blade is used for and what you should be cutting with that particular blade to make it the most efficient as possible. And then it also comes with a knife sharpener on the side right here, which is obviously a nice bonus feature because we're always needing to sharpen the kitchen knives. So I guess we'll see long term how these knives hold up. They seem like they're very good quality. I know they are actually hardened, so they're not just your standard steel. It's actually been heated up and hardened, so it'll last longer. But definitely like this set, especially for the price.